Paul Chamberlain, the Air Force guy, coming to you from Beckley's Camping Center today to try and solve some issues that I see constantly on social media, and that is pertaining to LP appliances not properly working. I want to go through that. Now, for today's intents purposes, we're going to be using a little guy, Mini-Max, but if you have an RV, regardless whether it's a motorhome, travel trailer, fifth wheel, and it has an LP furnace or LP water heater or LP refrigerator, this will all apply to everything that we're talking about here on this particular camper. So the first thing you're going to want to do in order to utilize your LP system is you're going to want to open the bottle and open it very, very slowly. Now, if you have two different bottles, check out, and I'll have a link down below, how the automatic switchover works, because you want to make sure that you're opening one particular bottle first, because it does make a difference. But so make sure you open it. Now, if for some reason you're not sure how much propane you have in the tank, something you do if you don't want to go get one of those gauges, you could pour hot water on the tank and it will give you a little frost line, because LP is cold, and of course with the hot water being hot, it's going to give you a nice little frost line. You'll be able to see how much propane you have in the tank. So let's go on inside. Now, so the first thing, prior to turning any propane appliance on, meaning if you're going to be turning on the propane side of a water heater, if you're going to be turning on the propane side of your refrigerator or the furnace, what you want to do is you want to light the burners on your cooktop. What this is going to do is this is going to go ahead and pull the LP from the tank in through the lines. Now, in some cases, your cooktop is going to be the furthest thing back. If you have an outside grill that you can light the burners of, that's probably even better, because those are typically at the back side of your RV. So on this particular one, very, very simple, because they have a little lighter system in here. All you do is light the burners, and I always tell you to light both burners, let them stay on for a moment, shut them off. Now we know that the propane has filled the system. Now, next, what you're going to be doing on this particular one, this is the Dometic thermostat. Keep in mind that when you're using your thermostat, make sure that when it goes to a fan mode, make sure the fan is in the auto position when you want to run your furnace. Because if the fan is on low or high, that is the fan for the air conditioner, and then your fan will run for the air conditioner. Not good on cold days, because the compressor is going to be cold up there, or the coils, I should say, are going to be cold, pulling the air out of your camper across the coils, blowing cold air back in. So make sure the fan is in the auto position. So on this particular one, first time you touch it, you'll see the blue light turn on. Next time you're going to touch it, the fan mode will come on. Now, in the fan mode, if you want to switch the fan mode to auto, low, or high, you can hear like the fan has just come on. So it is in the low position. So now I just hit it one time. Now it's going to go to the auto position. It'll shut off here momentarily. Now the fan for the air conditioner is off. Now, the next time you push it, that's for the air conditioner. Next time is for the furnace. Now, once the furnace lights up here, in a moment, now you can hear the fan. I don't know if you can hear it there, but I can hear the fan has kicked on. That is a 12-volt fan. That is going to blow. That wants to clear out the area before it lights. Make sure that there's not an abundance of LP. In a moment here, you'll hear several clicks, and if it's successful, it will light. Now, the next thing you could do, if you want to make sure that it lit even once it started, you can come out here by the exhaust and you can feel it, and it is hot already. And that is how you check to make sure that it actually lit. So that's how easy it is. You'd want to do the same thing if you're going to be running, lighting your propane side of the water heater, turning that on, or even switching from electric to propane for your automatic RV fridges. The important thing is to light those burners, and the reason why you do that is to, like I say, fill the LP lines of LP, and that'll lessen the chance of you having what they call a misfire. And that is when your appliance will go ahead and try to light 3 times, and if it doesn't, it'll shut off, will not operate. And you may have experienced that in the past. The less misfires you have, the longer your appliance is going to last. So hopefully that helped you out a little bit. I appreciate you watching, and we'll be back at you again soon. Take care.